Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have you ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of Lonnie from Garage Flip Garage whatever? Have you ever heard of the Cincinnati picker? Have you ever heard of the Commonwealth picker? Have you ever heard of my boy Dave? I call him TP from Kentucky, the Tesla picker. Boy, this Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want y'all to know that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Anyway, y'all, I just was going through some of my stuff, excuse me, through containers of stuff that I got. I've been having for years. So I decided to go through these baseball cards. I bought one box with me today. 1990 complete set, upper deck. So I was going to show you guys how to look this stuff up to see if any card is worth some money. You know what I'm saying? Then on the way to work today, first of all, let me tell you, I ordered stuff to eat. This lady's cooking her house, and she lives in a city called Berkeley, Missouri. My brother's a captain in the fire department there, so I order from her all the time. She said that it was going to be a half an hour for me to, before her to cook my food. You should see this stuff. $6 a whole plate full of stuff. Anyway, so while I was waiting, I stopped by this pawn shop I usually go into. And the first thing I walked in there, the shelves was empty. So I said, what's going on in there? Because it's usually full of stuff. So I guess people buying stuff or something, I don't know, or not turning stuff in or whatever. What the hell? Anyway, so I'm walking around in there looking at the counters. And you all know I sell these zip drives. I don't know if you guys been passing these up or not. These zip drives with an old, like a cassette-like zip. It's 7 megabytes. This was 7 megabytes. I always get the ones that's 100 megabytes or 200 megabytes. This one right here is 750 megabytes. Anyway, I'm gonna show y'all how they look. So you guys can, when you come around these, you should be able to see these all the time. This is what a zip drive look like. This is what the container look like. This is 750 megabytes. Back then, that was a lot of memory. A whole lot of memory. That's before a gigabyte. Before we knew about gigabytes. They probably had gigabytes out already. But we didn't know nothing about no gigabytes. Anyway, when I was a fireman, I was in charge of IT in the firehouse. So I hooked up all the computers, the internet, everything. I programmed the computers, stuff like that. So I guess some of y'all can say I'm a nerd or whatever. But it just looked like a floppy disk, an old 3.5 floppies. That's all it looked like. Anyway, so I'm walking around in there and I'm looking. And I looked in the cabinet, I saw this. I saw it. And it said this on the tag. Y'all see that? $7. I ain't look it up. I said, I want that. Because I sold them before. The ones I sold for $59, $60. This sell for $99. I mean, sorry, $80, but I put $99 in there because it's got 3 discs. The rest of them that was on there selling for $79 and didn't have no disc. So I got 3 discs. The disc ain't worth number $2. I got the disc and I got the USB plug, because this one USB. The other ones that I sell are not USB. They that old I forgot the name of that plug, with the big plug with all them little copper things in it. So I said, put that on the counter. I'm buying that, but I'm walking around. So I walked around. I ain't see nothing else. So I left out of there with this. I put this on eBay for $99. And I had to say it. Sometimes you guys, I get a whole lot of good stuff from pawn shops. A whole lot of good stuff. So sometimes you guys need to just come out your comfort zone and go to just stop. You pass by pawn shops anyway, probably when you go to thrift stores. Stop in there and see what they got. Sometimes they have some good stuff. So anyway, I put that on there for $95, $99, something like that. No, it was $90-something, $95, I think. What the hell? But anyway, y'all stop passing those zip drives up. They worth money. Even the older ones, that's 100 megabytes, people buying them for $50-something. I sell them all the time. Every time I see one, I grab them. This is my first time, like I said before, my first time with a 750 megabyte one. So anyway, you guys, I buy a whole lot of stuff, and I bought these 1990 upper deck cards, the complete set. We used to have this store called JCPenney Outlet Store. I'm pretty sure you probably have one in the city that you live in. JCPenney Outlet Store used to have some great stuff. Used to have some good stuff. So I used to get all my controllers, all the stuff I'm selling now on eBay about 20 years ago, I'm selling it now. I got most of that stuff from JCPenney Outlet Store. But anyway, so what you do, here go the cards right here. Baseball 1990 complete set. Okay. It's got the complete set in there, and this got, this got Ken Griffey Jr. in there as a rookie card, stuff like that. That's the reason why I bought it out. Because what you do, you go on eBay, and this is what I do. I go on eBay and I do a search. The top selling baseball cards from the Upper Deck complete set. The top selling baseball cards from Upper Deck complete set in 1990. So then some cards, not the ones I looked up was like this guy named Matt somebody from New York was worth $300, but it had to be, to get that price, it had to be certified. So the rest of them were like 30, some of them were 20, but it cost $15 to $17 to get it certified. So I don't think that's worth it, but it's nice to have a certified card, but it's kind of expensive. Then it take like 40 days to get them back and all that. But if I find that Mike DeWitt, whatever his name, Mike somebody card, Matt, whatever his name, Matt somebody, I'll put it on the screen, who he is. But anyway, if I find that card, I might send it in to get it certified. And the reason why it's $300 because it's one of the mishap cards. It's a card that on the front is okay, but when you turn around the back is a black spot on there where the statistics are. It's like blacked out. So that's why it's worth $300, because it's one of the misprints. But I just wanted to make a quick video and tell y'all about that find I found today. Just stopping at a doggone pawn shop, waiting on this lady to cook me some food. And I take my workers there. Like if we finish a job, I order some food from her, and it's funny because you guys gonna say I'm something wrong and I'm cheap or something, but I take them there, and they always think they're getting a free meal, but I take it out of their pay. But anyway, whatever. I ain't buying you no meal, grown man. Buy you nothing. Anyway, so I just want to make a quick video about that. About these cards, and this is with any cards, hockey, whatever. You look the stuff up first, then go through your cards and see if you got them. It's a little intimidating because I think it's 500 cards in here, I don't know how many cards in there, but it's a lot. So it's a little intimidating going through each one of those cards. But, some of them might be worth $10, $15. I just did the research on the top selling ones. out of there. So I didn't even go on eBay or nothing like that to research them. But a whole lot of people talking about if you can't find them on eBay, how you check something. Like if I buy something and I look to check on, see if it's selling on eBay and it's not on there. Some people go to Waypoint, stuff like that. I found this one website. I'm gonna put it on the screen, where you go on there and it do the same thing as Waypoint. Waypoint wants you to pay and all that. You know, I don't like paying, so I'm cheap. So that's one thing you guys don't know about me. I'm cheap as hell. So I just keep on searching through Google. I just keep on Googling it till I find it, you know, or whatever. But it's a whole lot of ways, and I'm gonna make a video about how to look stuff up too. I've been doing this for a long time, and I found a whole lot of different techniques to look stuff up. But I just wanted to make a video about, because I got thousands and thousands of cards, thousands and thousands of different cards. But anyway, my wife calling me. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. Whatever, don't give me no thumbs down. Give me some advice. You know, check that like and subscribe. And I just want y'all to know that this is Kevin from St. Louis. And I just want y'all to know that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Peace.